Hey everyone, just finished a portion of the Loeb Trail in the Pisgah National Forest in North Carolina. I know that I'm a Tennessee trail guide, and I've already broken my borders, but I'm not going to be doing Tennessee in the surrounding areas. But let me tell you, the Loeb Trail was a very, very fun trail to do. It was challenging enough to feel good about when you're done with it, but beautiful enough to appreciate it as you're hiking through it. Some tips when going on the trail. One, I would not recommend it for beginners. There are a lot of different terrain types. Weather's kind of unpredictable up there, so you have to be comfortable with the changing environment around you. So I would say wait till you have a few hikes underneath your belt before you try to do the Loeb. Two would be to bring pants and not shorts like I did. I did a few things wrong that you'll see in the videos and some pictures that I posted on my Instagram. So I'm learning from experience and hopefully just giving it to you. But wear pants instead of shorts. A lot of the trails are much thinner, and so you'll have a lot of grass and plant overgrowth going into the trails. If you don't like the feel of grass crossing your shins and things like that, or if you're worried about ticks and bugs, pants will make you feel more comfortable. For shoes, I would recommend hiking shoes or hiking boots, something that gives you more support around your ankles because you are doing a lot of incline and descent. I wore just running shoes, which the grip was fine and it felt comfortable while going through it, but I'd say maybe 3/4 through the loop that we did, my ankles are starting to feel it, getting a little sore. So definitely wear something that supports your ankles quite a bit. Also bring a friend. You go out there pretty far where you're out in the wilderness. We saw a lot of evidence of bears and other wildlife around there, so having a friend there will make you feel more comfortable. Also, it's always good to have a friend that when you're going out that far, just in case someone gets injured, someone go for help. Also, the trails aren't marked very well, so if you have someone that can bring a phone or carry the map and be like the navigator, that would be very helpful too. We did have to help a few people that were on the trails because they didn't have a map with them. They didn't know which trail to get off of to get back to their cars to complete the loop. So having something like that would help. We did pass by about 2 or 3 people that were injured, rolling their ankles or hitting their knees on rocks and things like that. So if they were by themselves, they would be a little bit more trouble, but because they all brought friends, they ended up being fine and getting off the trail. So I would definitely recommend this again for experienced hikers. For the hikers that want to do it, be prepared for anything. Bring rain jackets, things that can handle the wind. When you're up there, I think I felt at least 60-mile-per-hour gust winds up there. So bring shoes up with good grip, because if it rains with the added wind, plus walking on slippery rocks, can get a little sketchy. But honestly, a lot of it sounds scary, but hopefully the videos that I have after this with a little montage that I put together will show that it wasn't too bad. So if you just have a few under your belt and you're hiking smart and safe, you should be completely fine doing the portions of the Loeb Trail. So I hope you enjoyed the videos after this. It gives you a good idea of what to see. And if you have any other trails that you think I should hit that are around Tennessee area or the surrounding states, please comment below or hit the subscribe button and support TN Trail Guides. Appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
All inside our Amsterdam she hides watery eyes, not howling when she's waving high her other hands in mine. Oh, silhouette. She's growing tall and fine. She's got my back. She'll follow me down every street, no matter what my crime. All inside our Amsterdam she flies, hoarding the kites. That howling wind should take everything. She's easy on the eye.